Hi, and welcome to the tutorial of OneSearch Databases. So we're on the OneSearch homepage, and you can see that I am in fact signed in. I'm going to come over here on the main toolbar and select the button for Databases. So although we can do quick searches in OneSearch, we may have a particular database we want to work out of, as opposed to getting materials from different locations. So this takes us to the library homepage where the databases are listed alphabetically. So if you know the name of your database, you can select it here, or if you don't know the name of your database, you can narrow it down by subject. It has everything listed here. You can narrow it down by database type. Are you looking for bibliography? Are you looking for letters? Or you can narrow it down by vendor, if you know who the vendor is. I know for myself, I've used EBSCO quite a bit, so I could select EBSCO right here, or I could select E for EBSCO, and it's going to take me to the E's, databases that start with E. So there are multiple ways to get to where you want to go. I'm going to go ahead and select EBSCO eBook Collection. So that's going to redirect me to the EBSCO database homepage. And when I get there, I'm going to be able to put in my search through that database. So you would put in the topic you're looking for, just like you did in OneSearch, only you're using this specific database to look for your topic. Obviously, whatever database you choose, it will take you to that particular homepage. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to give me a call at the library. Thank you.